Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about my weekend. I had a very relaxing and enjoyable time and I wanted to share it with you. On Saturday morning I woke up early and went for a walk in the park. It was a beautiful day and I enjoyed the fresh air and radiant sunshine. After my walk, I prepared a nutritious breakfast that consisted of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and nuts. Then I spent the rest of the morning reading a book on mindfulness. I enjoyed reading this book because it taught me how to be more present in the moment and less stressed. I also learned some helpful techniques for calming my mind and body. In the afternoon, I went to the museum to see an exhibition on ancient Egypt. I'm really interested in history, and I loved learning about the ancient Egyptians and their culture. I was particularly fascinated by the artifacts that were on display. I saw mummies, sarcophagi, hieroglyphics, and other artifacts that offered me a glimpse into the lives of the ancient Egyptians. After dinner, I went to a concert with some friends. We saw a band that we really liked and we had a great time dancing and singing along. The concert was so much fun because I got to spend time with my friends and enjoy some great music. I also really enjoyed the energy of the crowd. On Sunday morning, I slept in a little bit. Then I made myself a leisurely breakfast of pancakes and eggs. I enjoyed this breakfast because it was a special treat. I don't usually eat pancakes on a Sunday morning, so it was nice to have something different. After breakfast, I went to the beach to relax and enjoy the ocean. I swam, sunbathed, and read a book. The beach was peaceful and beautiful. I really enjoyed spending time by the ocean and listening to the waves. In the afternoon, I went to a yoga class. I really enjoy yoga because it helps me relax and de-stress. I enjoyed this yoga class because the instructor was excellent. She taught us some challenging poses, but she also ensured our safety and comfort. After yoga, I went to a coffee shop to meet up with a friend. We talked for a few hours and caught up on each other's lives. I enjoyed my visit to this coffee shop because I had the opportunity to spend time with a friend and discuss our lives. I also really enjoyed the coffee and pastries. One of my favorite memories from the weekend was going to the museum. I was truly fascinated by the artifacts on display and gained a wealth of knowledge about ancient Egypt. One of my favorite memories is going to the beach. I really enjoyed spending time by the ocean and relaxing. Finally, I also enjoyed attending the yoga class. I thoroughly enjoyed the challenge of the poses and felt incredibly relaxed after the class. I had a really nice weekend. I got to do some of my favorite activities and spend time with the people I love. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my weekend. If you have any questions about what I did, please leave a comment below.